Welcome back one more time. This week's edition of Kitchen Goals, the bye-week edition. Sounders goalkeeper Stefan Frei bakes up one of my favorites, but he doesn't do it alone. He has a little help from the experts, courtesy of the RAVE Foundation.
Hey everybody, I'm Stefan Frei, and today on Kitchen Goals, we'll be making brownie cookies. I got some amazing chefs here helping me. Let's meet them. What's your name?
Lucas Leon.
Lucas over here.
Charles.
Charles in the middle.
I'm Sammy.
And Sammy. They're going to help us make this amazing recipe. Let's get to it. First step, we're going to need to melt down our chocolate. We've already done that. I'm going to set this aside and let it cool for a hot second. Okay? So we're going to add some eggs. So can you grab me those eggs, please? Nice. Well done. Here's the next one. Yeah. Good job. All right, we're going to add some sugar to that. So now we're going to add our chocolate. We'll add that. And next we're going to add our flour. So if someone wants to grab that flour. And we also have a tiny bit of salt that we're going to add here. I'm going to let you actually stir this one if you want. You want to incorporate this?
Okay.
And now last step, we're going to add our chocolate chips. Add it and just keep stirring. Now we're going to take this and put it in the fridge and cool it down. We're ready to make our cookie balls. And then what we want to do, scoop about this much out and just gently make a little ball out of it. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? And place it on there, okay? Let me know if you need a little bit more or a little bit less. All right, now these go in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll check and see how they are. All right. These look amazing. Dig in. I don't think these need a plate. Let's go for it. Amazing. All right, if you're interested in this brownie cookie recipe, you can go on Cairo7.com/sports.
Excellent. All right, thanks once again to Steph. And we know he wouldn't be able to do it without the kids from the RAVE Foundation. He's always giving his time to that special organization. The RAVE Foundation works to inspire youth and support communities through soccer. For more information, visit ravefoundation.org. Always good stuff. Love that segment. All right.